Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a stylist with IKEA ideas. Here's my take on how to hang for a foolproof finish. I like to start on the floor, so it's easier to figure things out. Lay out what you want to hang and take away anything that doesn't quite match, like this colorful one. The next step is to grab a Motteby wall template. It has a picture collage that's already designed and measured. Just put your pictures into frames that match the sizes on Motteby. I like to lay all the framed pieces on the template to see how it looks. You can move things around until you're happy and ready to go. Now move to your wall. Tape up the Motteby template where you want it and make sure it's level. With the template, it's easy to make holes. Just hammer in your nails where the X marks are. Then take down the template and be careful not to tear it so that you can use it again and again. For the final step, hang your pictures. Now you can hang pictures with a foolproof finish.